Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Arom by Deep Scent. Arom is a smart scent box that adds moods to your space. Arom lets you use more than 15 types of natural aroma capsules for aromatherapy and 25 types of scented capsules. Using the Arom app and mixing scents of your choice, you can make your own scents and share them with others who enjoy scents like you. Arom is very easy to use. First, you insert 4 capsules of your choice inside the Arom box. Then, you set the ratios of each capsule and even the spraying time for those capsules. Enjoy the scent you love in the space you want to be at the best time for you. Using Arom's schedule setting, you can start your day with a fresh scent in the morning and fall asleep enjoying a sweet and relaxing scent like lavender. Express your imagination and feelings with scents. Your secret recipe will give unlimited inspirations to others and create a sense of belonging among users. Arom allows you to express yourself, inspire others, and communicate with the world through fragrances. Experience fragrance on demand. Arom by Deep Scent.
The Tenvis IP camera is equipped with a 720p high-definition lens for sharper and smoother video and images. It can be rotated 360 degrees horizontally and perfectly cover the entire room. When night comes, the Tenvis IP camera switches to night mode automatically. The built-in 11 infrared sensing LEDs clearly represent images within 32 feet, even in dark environments. In addition, the Tenvis IP camera is equipped with a microphone and speakers. and the two-way audio function allows you to enjoy real-time calls. You don't have to worry about your baby and pet at home when you are at work or on the go. The Tenvis IP camera can quickly capture movements in 3 seconds and send email alerts to the app in a timely manner. Unlike other IP cameras, the Tenvis IP camera discards complicated and cumbersome installation steps. With one-click operation, you can connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi stably. Support for up to 128 GB micro SD card storage, which can keep you for 2 months of video recording.
Say hello to One Mini, the first of its kind pocket multilingual assistant that was made for every lifestyle, allowing you to record memorable moments and preserve your voice between lines, giving you language barrier-free communication anywhere, anytime.
So, we will look at the impact of globalization.
One key recording is impossibly handy. Dual far-field microphone enables superior speech recognition.
The study I found is very interesting.
Push to record, multilingual transcription comes out smoothly in real time. No need to play back, just copy and paste. Say goodbye to humdrum typing. For simple and short conversations, AI translation is incredibly intelligent and easy to use.
Excusez-moi. Vous savez comment vous rendre au musée national?
Do you know how to get to the National Museum?
Just go straight and then left.
One button away, your language comes out universally meaningful.
Quiero un helado muy muy grande. 我要一个超大的甜筒冰淇淋。
For professional and complex conversations, One Mini puts live interpreters in the palm of your hand.
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
The Model 79 needs to be polished.
モデル79は売り切れで、3月前に3000枚欲しいです。
Can you ensure?
割引がありますか？
大丈夫です。お使いになると思います。
你好，你们要吃点什么？
Do you speak English?
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
I want a double flavor pods, mildly spicy, a big platter of the sliced beef, sesame paste as dripping sauce, and an ice cold beer.
I'm allergic to shrimps. Any local cuisine for recommendation?
这位客人要一份鸳鸯锅，微辣，一份大份牛肉，芝麻蘸酱。
Powered by AI and humanity, One Mini is your omnipotent personal translator, making everywhere in the world just like your home. One Mini always accompanies wherever life takes you. It allows you to communicate effortlessly and makes everyday life worth remembering. A pocket multilingual assistant for recording and communicating.